In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting directly in Outlook. If you've ever bounced between Outlook and the Zoom app just to set up a simple meeting, this will save you time. We'll turn on the Zoom add-in, then schedule the meeting right from your Outlook calendar so the Zoom link is built into the invite. First, make sure the Zoom for Outlook add-in is installed. Open Outlook, either the desktop app or Outlook on the web. In Outlook Desktop, go to the Home tab and choose Get Add-ins. In Outlook on the web, start a new event, open the More Actions menu, and select Get Add-ins. In the Add-ins window, search for Zoom for Outlook, then add it to your account. The add-in appears in Outlook and may prompt you to sign in to Zoom the first time you use it. That sign-in simply connects your Zoom account so the meeting details can be created automatically within your calendar invite. If you don't see it listed in the add-ins window, you can also find Zoom for Outlook in the Microsoft AppSource Marketplace. Add it there, and then return to Outlook. After it's added, look for a Zoom button or icon in your meeting toolbar. That's your confirmation the add-in is active. Now schedule the meeting directly in Outlook. Open your Outlook calendar and create a new event or new meeting. Enter the basics: a clear meeting title, the date, start and end times, and your attendees. Take a quick moment to confirm the correct time zone, especially if you're inviting people in different regions. Next, click the Zoom button in the meeting toolbar and choose Add a Zoom Meeting. Outlook will insert the Zoom meeting link and dial-in information right into the body of the invite. This makes it easy for your participants to join without hunting for links or opening another app. If you need to adjust Zoom settings, use the options shown by the add-in. You can confirm the meeting time, toggle whether video or audio starts on for hosts and participants, and check whether a password is required. These settings apply to the Zoom meeting that's being attached to your invite. When everything looks good, send the invite. Your participants will receive the standard Outlook calendar invitation, complete with the Zoom link and any dial-in details. If you already created an event and forgot to add Zoom, just open that event, click the Zoom button, and select Add a Zoom Meeting to attach the details. That's it. With the Zoom add-in active, you can build polished, ready-to-join Zoom invites entirely inside Outlook, saving clicks and reducing setup time.